Good morning mga kabihero! For today's travel, we are going to the famous Pebble Beach of Barangay Hamoraon in Mercedes. To get there, from Daet, Camarines Norte, ride a jeepney going to Barangay Hamoraon and just tell them to drop you off in Barangay Tourism Office for registration. If you have your own service, then much better. Ingat lang kapatid, medyo balubak ang daan. Whenever I'm stressed, I normally travel either with my family and friends or mag-isa lang just to be in a different environment. And this time, I made the right decision to visit this place. There are different forms of mountains welcoming you, and most importantly, this is the first time that I'll be visiting this place, which is why I am very much excited. Time to meet the most beautiful woman in the area, Ma'am Melanie Hamito.
Welcome to Barangay Hamoraon. Ang makikita niyo po sa aming tourist destination ay ang Pebble Beach, kung saan po makikita niyo yung iba't ibang klase ng bato. May malalaki po, maliliit, saka po yung view papunta sa shore. Kami po ay welcome po nag-i-invite sa inyo. Anytime po, kung kayo po ay magkakaroon ng panahon para po makita niyo po ang sinasabi namin na view ng aming pong Pebble Beach.
Ang ganda. Ang daming klaseng pebbles. Anyway, pupunta daw kami dun sa may dulo. Well, you have two options. Either you go for a walk or magbo-boat. Pero we prefer to walk. Here we are. This is the first time na naka-experience ako ng ganito. Magandang Pebble Beach. Grabe. Ayan, narinig yung tunog ng mga bato. Ang ganda pakinggan. Oh. Diba? Oh, para siyang nagdo-domino. Ito tayo, konti na lang. Nakaka-exhaust. Pero, kaya naman siya. Doon kami nanggaling sa side na yon. And now, malapit na. Siguro mga 2 minutes of walking na lang to. Anyway, just a piece of advice from me. Kasi recently lang naman ako nagta-travel ng madalas because I've been spending a lot of time sa work. Pero recently kasi medyo nakaka-exhaust and I don't want my performance to be affected. Kaya nilalaan natin yung mga stress, kapaguran sa ibang bagay. And sometimes you just need to refresh yourself. Bring back the old you. Mga ganon. Try to discover the earth before the earth covers you. Kasi pag ganon, mahirap na. You are here to live, not you live to die. Okay? So, malapit na tayo. Imagine yourself wearing a white dress while walking in the aisle, thinking about all those cute memories, and just in a few more minutes, the love of your life is at the end of the road waiting for you. I can't really deny the fact that this is a good spot to reminisce the past. It was a great experience contemplating and realigning myself to my goals, and I do hope you would experience the same. It was a long drive, yes, but the place itself was very fulfilling. Next time, balik tayo. Sama ka?